Hi.
What are you making today?
We're gonna make plain tomato sauce.
Plain tomato sauce. Okay, yes.
We're gonna
What kind of tomatoes are those? Roman?
Yeah, Roma, make it do with anyone. With the cherry tomato, you could
Even
do
with
it.
cherry, so any kind of tomatoes, any tomatoes that you have.
Just you wash it. I wash it.
How many tomatoes do you have?
Well, I don't know.
Okay, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, but depends. You
Yeah.
can make how much you want it. So you cut it.
You cut it.
Well, it's some spot here. So you take it out.
Stop.
You take it. You take the seed.
Okay.
The seed.
You remove the seeds.
Yeah, I'm gonna put in a blend, just for a little bit.
Okay. So you're gonna do that to all the tomatoes. So you can either leave the skin off or take off the skin. You're keeping the skin on.
Yeah, I keep the skin.
Okay. And then how come you use that small blender and you don't want to use that big
I don't
blender?
know. It's the same thing.
It's the same thing. Okay.
Okay, that's the only
Can't
thing.
get too much in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to take the skin. To fast.
Yeah.
You boil the water. And you put the tomato inside.
For how long?
For 2 minutes. Put the thing like this one. But if you want to use the big one, you can use the big one. So you don't want to put on the blend, you could do like this. Okay, the same thing. You cut it, you take the
Seeds out.
this one out.
Oh, that core part out.
Because it's yellow.
Okay.
It's white, it's not good. And you do like this, small piece.
Oh.
And you put like this, like that. And
If you don't want to blend it, you just cut it up in small pieces like that. Okay.
That's the only thing you see a little bit of the skin of the inside the sauce.
Okay.
It's not smooth. It's okay, just do like that. Maybe that's what we should do.
No, let's do both.
Okay, this one,
So
okay?
you can either do it this way
All the way
or blend it.
blend. Okay. This one, this is a small one. That's it.
That's it, like 10 seconds, not even 10 seconds.
Yes.
Oh, chop or grind. First you do the chop,
Just a chop.
no more than 10 seconds.
Just a chop.
But she has more to do.
Yeah. Because now I have to do all the same.
Okay.
I'm going to take this one out. Or you could do the way I say this one.
Yeah, chopped. Yeah, chop it yourself. So she's gonna put everything together just to show you. Okay, now do the rest.
I'm going to put it inside there.
And also, Ma, can you tell people, who are growing tomatoes and they don't know what to do with all the tomatoes? You can freeze this.
Yeah.
You can put your tomatoes in the freezer. That's what Mom does. She freezes them, takes them out of the freezer.
You wash it.
Yes.
You dry.
You dry.
And you put it in the freeze.
And you put it in the freezer. Because I know a lot of people it's summertime and there's, you get a lot of tomatoes, and if you don't know what to do with your tomatoes,
you can freeze
them, and then when you want to make tomato sauce, a quick, easy tomato sauce, you do it this way.
Okay, like that. Gonna do not. So you blend more, it comes like a sauce, see?
Yeah.
Look. Look.
Oh, nice.
Okay? You can do it like that. Oh, sorry. I'm going to put oil.
Olive oil.
Any oil.
But we like olive oil.
I use this one, okay? Like this. So I can put too much oil too. Put a little garlic.
Ooh, fresh garlic. How many you think?
Now I'm gonna see just a little bit. Maybe 1 or 2. Depends how much salsa you're gonna make it.
Yeah.
So depends the way you
We're
like
doing it for 4 people. We're making sauce for 4 people.
A little bit onion too.
Oh, a little bit of onion,
Do the same thing.
chopped.
Small chop. We let her.
Simmer, we put it on simmer.
I think it's enough. Okay. Yeah, I think it's enough. Put one in there. That's no more. That's.
Nice. Cook the onions a little bit, okay, before you put the tomato.
And the garlic too.
And the
just,
garlic
just
too.
the smell.
The smell. Nice. Oh, I can start to smell it.
See, that's it. Just the smell a little bit. Don't let it burn. It's not good.
She's gonna put a little.
I'm gonna put it. We'll see. We're not supposed to. Because
We like it a little bit picante.
No, I put just a little bit
You
because
did just put a little bit. You're a chicken.
because I can't eat that stuff.
Yeah, she can't eat hot stuff. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you just stir the stuff. So it's just too much. Put those tomato. So you're gonna put it in.
Nice. Still on simmer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know so I'm gonna put all of it or not.
Oh, she's got more in there.
I know. Look, a big tomato. Put in here.
Ah, why not?
Well, I
Use it
got,
for pizza sauce tomorrow.
oh yeah, that's
Extra. Oh, she put some water in there. Why?
I washed just the plate.
Oh, to get every little speck of tomato.
That's it. We can.
We can't let anything go to waste. This is her spice, little drawer.
Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit this.
Garlic salt. So, you know, if you don't have the garlic salt, you can use garlic, more garlic powder and salt.
Yeah, I'm gonna put salt, a little bit salt. That one,
Pepper,
no,
oregano.
no, really. I take the fresh one. I'm gonna put the fresh one.
Oh, we have a lot of oregano.
I'm gonna put
Oh, parsley.
parsley.
Parsley, basil. Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's the basil.
Basil. Oh, yeah, you
That's
put
the-
fresh basil. We
yeah.
have lots of basil outside.
I'm gonna do like this. So it tastes better.
Okay. Tear it up.
Okay, that's the rosemary, the fresh rosemary.
That's rosemary. That's oregano, Ma.
Oregano.
Yeah, so fresh oregano. We have fresh oregano. If they don't have fresh oregano, you can use dry, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm gonna put it like that.
put it like that.
I never put it.
Because we have a lot of oregano.
That's it. Now we boil.
Oh, you bring it to a boil?
Yeah. They are gonna cover. Smells good.
Yeah, the basil smells good.
So that's it.
That's it. Do you put tomato paste?
Sometimes because this tomato doesn't.
Oh, you add tomato paste for color.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, why don't you put some in if you want to? But you don't have to.
No, you don't have to.
Okay. If you were going to, how much would
That's
you put on? So you're saying if you want your sauce to be red,
Yeah,
because it's right now a little
more.
bit pink, you put some tomato paste.
So I have it inside here,
Yeah,
just
we
a
have some
little
in the
bit.
fridge. So she just puts a little bit just to add
Yeah,
flavor.
that's it. No, it's not flavor. Just comes
Color.
more thick.
Thicker and redder.
Yeah, because this tomato doesn't stain too much.
So you just put like a tablespoon,
Yeah, a little bit.
a little bit.
You're gonna cover
I'm gonna cover it
and you let it boil.
and let it boil.
After you see the way.
Cover it like that. Still on simmer? Yeah.
When this boil, I would think we have to put a little bit low. See, it's too fast. See, look.
Oh, it cooled fast.
Yeah.
Boiled in like 2 minutes.
Okay, now we're gonna put it down. See?
Okay, wow.
See, now it's coming because now there's some water. The tomato do some
water for
water
the
for the tomato. See, that's why it doesn't come red. It's okay, ci mangiamo più bianco stasera.
So now what do you do?
Let it boil. That's
Some
it.
more for, okay.
They have
You know
to
when it's-
cook.
How do you know when it's ready? When the oil comes up?
You can see all the water comes a little bit dry.
Oh, okay. You'll see. And you turn this down like really, it's really low. You barely see
Yeah.
flame, huh?
That's why I saw now.
Oh, just a little bit of flame now. Okay, good.
Yeah, now.
Just very low,
Yeah.
low.
See, I like to cook slow.
Okay. Emma, show me those cans again. If you don't have fresh tomatoes, if you don't have tomatoes, you can get these.
This is so many kinds. So this
Yeah.
one, somebody
You can use
told.
the peeled one like that.
Yeah,
You just put it in there and squish it.
yeah. With the do with the hand
Yeah.
because it's for the make.
Yeah.
It's squish.
Yeah, squish. Or
So, oh,
the same? Or
yeah.
how about the diced ones? The diced ones right next to it.
It's the same thing.
Or the diced ones.
Yeah,
Diced tomatoes.
yeah.
You
This
can do
this
those
one
too.
is a chop.
chopped, yeah.
Yeah, okay. This one is full.
It's full and
For
you got
full
the squish.
tomato.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, Ma. It's
See?
been about 24 minutes.
Ma che 24?
It has, Ma.
No, agora step up. See, c'è too much water there. Agora.
Okay, it's boiling a lot.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's done. Yes, I see.
See?
Okay. Are you going to turn it off?
Let me test. Sale buono.
Good.
Poi ci metto la tuna dentro, però you don't say anything.
Okay, do you turn it off, Ma?
You can boil a little bit more. There's no problem. You can put anything here.
You can put it.
Beans, anything.
You could put tuna in there.
Yeah,
You could put shrimp.
that's right. That's it.
Yes, but if
Right.
you want to put tuna in right now, you can put it in now.
Yeah, I put already.
Oh, you put tuna in here?
Yeah. May don't see it.
You don't see it. So she put a little small can of tuna
Yeah.
and little pieces in there. But you can leave it plain or put tuna in there.
Yeah. Depends the way.
Okay. Well, when do you turn off the stove?
That's it.
Now. Oh, she shuts it off now. Okay. And then we're not going to eat until about in another 2 hours. And so When you do the,
You reheated the.
you turn on the heat. When
You
you're ready
could
to
do in
serve
the
with
morning. If you have to go out, you could do in the morning.
pasta. Okay,
You prepare when you come back. It's ready. Just to cook the pasta.
okay, I like that. Okay, she's turning on the heat for this because she just put in the pasta.
Put it.
He has it on simmer,
Just the heat.
just to heat it. Pepe's always there in the kitchen. She knows all Nonna's secrets.
Oh, don't.
There you go. Look, oh, you put some fresh parsley in there too.
It's basil.
Basil, I'm sorry, fresh basil.
That's it. Put a little. Put lasciare no fork. 2 minutes. 5. Okay.
Yummy. Come on, Daddy.
That look good.
Okay.
What do you think? That tastes good?
For sure.
Who made this?
What's in it? Nonna did.
No.
Nonna Paolone. Bon appetit.